Good morning, everybody. So let's get right to it and discuss open stock that jumped yesterday, like last Friday. We have pullback, but we did a really good retest here. Before we go further, guys, before we go further, I just forgot. Our content here for education purposes, and of course, we're not financial advisor, and always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So first of all, let us discuss open breakout that about to happen around the 919. We have triple top around this level, and we already discussed open back then here on our Discord. We discussed the short because the level, it was a bit technical here. We did the shorts for it early on a few days ago. The price didn't actually break the resistance. It was a bit kind of frustrating to see open didn't break the levels. As you can see here, we have a huge reversal, but we didn't break the around the 11. We have double top. The price went down after we test this level. You see here, we went down big time, and we suggest for a reversal around the $7, and we have a reversal. Let's see here, almost 30%. So the reversal already happened, 30%. Now, after testing the 30%, of course, we have a big seller here, guys, around the 920 that we tested back here on Wednesday, here on Thursday, on Friday. So 3 tests in 3 days, and the price didn't break. So next week, or by tomorrow on Monday, we have to have a breakout here around the 920 to confirm a breakout around the 980 and the $10.80 and the 13.30. If we didn't, it means we're gonna accumulate around this white line. Why? Because let me just show you what's going on here with this chart. Because this white line or this support has been respected since 14th of August. We have many bounce from it, and now we revisited this level because we have a bit of correction as we did before, a huge jump here, as we see around the 10th of September after major news. We got 90% jump. That's why we're correcting down around the 7. So now the best case scenario for open is holding over the 793 by tomorrow and the next week, break the 920 in order to have the jump next time. Let me just show you how much we might do next time. Yeah, another 30% or almost 50%. 30% or 25% should give us around the $11, and almost the 50% should be around the 13.30, which is the level that we might hit if we held the current support over the 790. The current support, the other support is the $7. If we broke it, yes, this is will change the bearish the bullish trend for open and go to the bearish side toward the 566. As long as we hold, as we said, the white line, we're still in the long side in a big picture, because a lot of you asking what's going on, guys, are we gonna have another flush down? And many of you saying like we should sell open and never actually look back, because it look bad and big whales actually selling. But just from the chart, guys, we have another whale bought the dip around the 7. That's why we don't have a flush over this support, and in the big picture we're still in the bullish side. So we're going to discuss open in depth tomorrow, guys, on our live stream 30 minutes before the market open, and our pre-market update here on Discord and Bitcoin. So if you want to join, the link comes section below for major update before the market open, because we might have a gap up for open. In the meantime, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and of course, see you all by tomorrow to discuss price action for open. And let me know in the comment section below, are we going to have over the $11 for the next week, or below the $7 for this month, before the end of this month in September? Thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow.